one of the things we like to do is talk about our Whissel widget of the week. This is something we utilize in our business that saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun. What do you got, Bryan?
Mine, I am going down a rabbit hole of ChatGPT, of different websites, of different Chrome extensions, all sorts of things. The thing I'm playing around with right now that I just used it this morning, it worked pretty well, is a website where you can put a link to a YouTube video and you submit it. It takes 10 to 20 seconds, and then they'll give you a breakdown of what the video is about. It's okay. I think it's fairly new, and I think they're going to continue to update it. But it's great if you're like, hey, is this what I want to watch? The thumbnail, I'm not sure. The title, I'm not sure. Let me make sure that this is the video I want to watch. Or for like our team, where it's like, hey, can you find that video where I talked about this? It's one of these 5 videos. I can just throw it in there really quick and say, oh, yep, it was in this meeting where we talked about this. It's called TubeTLDR.com. TLDR in internet speak is too long, didn't read. So TubeTLDR.com. You paste the link. It gives you a description. If you don't like it quite, you can hit regenerate. And I found the second one worked a little bit better for me. But it's a great, fun little tool to give at least a better understanding of what the YouTube video is about.
I like it. The one that I'm going to talk about, I've probably talked about before, but I'm going to talk about using it in a different manner. One of the things that I'm a stickler for is using proper grammar in communication. I think it's very important as a business person that you can use. You don't need to speak at an extremely high level. You just need to use proper grammar because I think clients are judging you absolutely on that. And if you have poor grammar, they question if you can't get a sentence properly, how are you going to get a contract properly and sell me a home properly? So I'm a big fan of having proper grammar. And so one of the ways to do that, there's a system called Grammarly, Grammarly, which you can have that embedded onto your computer. And it's automatically telling you, like, as you're typing emails and stuff, it's suggesting how you can make it better. But they have a keyboard that you can add on your phone. For sure have it on iPhone, probably Android. You guys will get it in a few years from now. But as you're typing, it's letting you know where you have room to make improvement in your text messages, in your DMs, and all the other things that you're doing from your cell phone, so that you can make sure that you're using the best grammar possible when you're having communication with potential clients. And so just adding the Grammarly keyboard onto your phone can just make a couple little tweaks to make you just look that much smarter, even if you're really not. The keyboard will do it for you.
I never know effect versus affect. Never, ever. And Grammarly's like, you sure you want to say this? I'm like, I have no clue. I just use a different word entirely every single time. Grammarly, as good as it is, and as much as I use it, still can't figure that one out.
Good stuff. Cool. Well, hopefully you guys got a lot of value today. If you want to stay connected to, you can always go to thewhisselway.com or follow me on Instagram at Kyle Whissel, at Bryan Coachy. With that said, we are done. I'm Kyle Whissel, Whissel Realty Group.
Bryan Coachy. See you guys next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.